Hey guys, this one is how to buy Bitcoin in 5 minutes. In this video, I'll go over the things you need, the places to go, and how to actually do it. This is just a quick one for beginners, so if you need more info, do check out some other more in-depth videos linked in the description. Subscribe for more content. But let's dive right in with what you'll need first. If you've never bought cryptocurrency before, then I'm assuming you want to take some fiat currency like dollars, euros, or pounds and change that into a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. You can do this for sure, but you'll need to find a broker or exchange that accepts deposits of fiat currencies and then provides an exchange service to buy your crypto. If you want to do this, you're going to need the following information: your name, address, telephone number, also your country of residence, and also an ID document. Passport, driving license, or a national ID card will work. You may have heard that one of the benefits of cryptocurrency is that it can be totally secure and anonymous. Yes, that's true, but not when you want to exchange fiat currencies for crypto. There are really two ways you can buy cryptocurrencies. The first is going to a consumer-friendly centralized exchange like Binance and Coinbase. I will link both of those in the description for you so you can check them out and see what the product offerings are like. I have accounts with both of these service providers and I like them both, and I think they both have a good product offering for beginners. Both of these have feature-rich mobile apps too, where you can go and see prices. Using these as an exchange is easy and quick, but you'll pay a little extra on top for the exchange rate because of how easy they make it, and that's fine by me. You should only be paying less than 1% above the actual exchange rate. They are both competitive and no more than you'd pay to change any currency at a bank. The second way to buy and trade cryptocurrencies is to use their pro services, and this gives you direct access to the live marketplace for cryptocurrencies on their systems. The benefit of this is that it's cheaper. You trade directly with market participants. However, it requires at least an intermediate level knowledge of trading systems and how to actually trade. If you want to learn about that, I do have videos on the channel which you can go and check out. There are two main ways to pay for cryptocurrency when you're a beginner. The first is via a credit card. This is the easiest, fastest method to pay for cryptocurrencies with fiat currency. The downside of this is that it is extremely expensive. You'll be paying anywhere from 1.5 to even 3.5% to buy your crypto. That is a lot of money to get an investment. A bank transfer takes a little bit more time and effort, but it's far cheaper. Most exchanges offer a free service for bank transfers. So if you just transfer some fiat currency onto your exchange, that will be free of charge. And then you can use the low cost exchange options. Once you have your Bitcoins, you'll need to store them safely. Most people don't recommend leaving your coins on an exchange because these exchanges are custodians. You never actually have true ownership of your coins. In normal times, leaving your coins on an exchange is cheap and easy. But if the exchange gets hacked and the coins are stolen, you are stuffed and you will lose everything. So you have two options to take control of your coins. The first is a mobile wallet. These are actually free most of the time. Binance has Trust Wallet and Coinbase has Coinbase Wallet. I have a video on the best mobile wallets if you want to watch that. I'll link it in the description. Mobile wallets still have issues with security though and use online services, so most experts recommend a hardware wallet. With a hardware wallet, you get an address and private keys. Private keys are basically a private password that gives you ownership of your Bitcoin. The password is stored on the device and nobody else knows it. It's also offline, meaning it can't be hacked. You get ownership of the Bitcoin. It is the most secure way of holding your Bitcoin, but it's a slightly longer process to actually use them for trading or spending than if you use a mobile wallet. And if you lose your password, you won't ever have access to your coins again because the coins aren't stored on the wallet. The wallet just stores the password to spend the coins. And if you don't have it, then you can't spend the coins. That is buying and holding cryptocurrencies in a few minutes though. All of the services that I talked about will be linked in the video description for you. I'd love you to subscribe for more crypto content and I'll see you in the next one.